हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ वीरेन। और जैसे कि हम अब तक बात कर रहे थे अपने इंटरव्यू सीरीज़ की, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कैब जर्मनी। यस, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कैब जर्मनी। मेक श्योर दैट if you have any query or if you have any doubt, you can ask me below in a comment box. Yes, I will also make a video of Accenture in English too in upcoming video, so please stay connected with us. So start with the Capgemini interview process. This process mainly have two rounds, one technical, another is HR. They will give you a slot, two different slots for your technical as well as for your HR. They will not going to take in one slot. If you ask me about technical, time duration will be a 15 minute, 10 to 15 minutes, and asked they start with tell me about yourself as usual. And in technical round they asked about your projects, what are the projects you have done, what you have done and what you learned, and what are the future scopes of your project. So make sure that you know about your project very well. They are going to ask that why you have choose your branch, that for an example, if you're from CS background, so they will ask why you have choose CS branch. Or if you are from electrical or electronics, they will definitely going to ask that why you have choose electrical. Or you can say that they will ask that if you are, as you are from electrical background, why you are going to join a software or a IT sector. So they will definitely going to ask such type of questions in a technical interview. In technical subject, one more question they mainly ask that what is your favorite subject. So make sure that when they asked about your favorite subject, you tell them very wisely that you should know about that subject. So further they will ask 2-3 questions from that subject, so you should know about this. So at last in a technical round they mainly asked one common question that in many interviews, whether it's Accenture, whether it's TCS, whether it's Cognizant or any other, they ask this type of question that what is polymorphism, what is abstraction, what is encapsulation. Or they can ask the difference between polymorphism and abstractions. So make sure that you know about polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. They mainly ask this question. This question is common in every interview. So now next round will be about the HR round. So HR round is mainly about 20 to 25 minutes. In HR round they asked about yourself, that who you are, about your family, about your locality or your area, that if you belong to a city like Ghaziabad or somewhere, so they will ask about your area, that what are they famous for, and something question they will ask. They just want to know your communication skills, so they will ask about your families and areas. Further, they asked mainly one question, that where you see yourself after a 5 year or 10 years. So you have to be very decent while giving this answer. So you should know that uh, whatever you say, they will going to ask further on that say. So make sure that you give them wisely. Further, they asked one question mainly, that what you regret most in your life, or you can say in your engineering or in your college. They asked about this, that what you regret most in your college, or what you regret most in your life. So this question is going to be something going to be personal, but you make sure that you tell them a story or anything that is not much affected on your character or your personality. So in a HR round they also asked about your hobbies, or that what are your hobbies, and they will ask about a few questions on that. So or if you asked mainly question, they asked that are you ready to relocate, or are you ready to work in a shift. So such type of questions they also asked. So make sure that you have answer for that. Mainly HR round is a round of your checking, that is not have such panic. You don't have to take much panic for a HR round. Companies will never reject you on your HR round process. They will reject you on the basis of your technical interview. In HR they just check yours, they just check you that that the guy have some communication skills or not, that guy is good or not. They will just check it, so you don't have to be much panic. And as I always say, your interview doesn't depend on interviewer, it depends on you, at how you are going to work and how you going to answer. So never lose your hope, never lose your confidence. You just have to answer them and show them your best. Your selection is going to be yes or no, it doesn't matter, you just have to give your best. So make sure that you don't get much panic and give them nicely your answers. So in HR round, mainly one question always they asked at last, that any questions you have. So I always tell you that please ask a question. And as I mentioned in my previous video, in a Cognizant experience, that how one student has asked many questions to them about their companies, about their training process, about their, and they get impressed, and they got impressed by these skills. Just if you asked many questions, so they know that you have some curiosity about knowing, you have that you have a personality which is always ready to learn and grow. So make sure that you ask question, so they will always accept, or you can say they always impressed by such students who are always ready to learn and grow. So I'm going to wrap up this video again. So if you have any query or any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can also message me on Insta or a Facebook page. All the links are available in a description box, so you can easily reach me on Insta or a Facebook. All links are in description box, so make sure that. So I'm going to end up this video. All the very best and keep working.